Hi everybody. So I'm Hari and Kondareddy is there. We both are part of SMBcard.com. So we like to introduce Vanita, who is a seasoned product marketer and also tech enthusiastic, who has a wide experience for more than 15 plus years, worked with multiple startups, multiple tech companies, majorly in the SaaS and experiential related industry. So a couple of days before ourselves and Vanita, we are having a conversation over the call about the SMB card, and she asked for a lot of questions related to SMB card, how customers or the users can leverage the SMB cards, how it will benefit the small and medium business owners. So we thought, why not take this conversation over the live rather than having it as an offline conversation. So with that, we want to get into live and want to address a lot of questions related to SMB card. So everybody is clear about the product and how it will benefit small and medium business owners. Over to you, Anita.
Yeah, thanks, Hari. Thanks for that intro. Yes, as you said, I would love to take this conversation about SMB card live with the other audience as well, because this
Okay.
really seems to be an interesting product. And along with me, I think many will be finding this particular event useful because SMB card seems to be something that is truly beneficial for all these small and medium businesses and enterprises. So let me get started by asking, how would you define SMB card in a layman's term?
So basically, SMB Cart is a platform which we built for non-technical business owners, where they can able to launch their e-commerce platform or online store less than 30 minutes. Even they can launch within 15 minutes also. So objective of the
Okay.
entire SMB Cart to help them to go online, get have their digital transformation, grow their business
Okay.
digitally and reach globally. So with that objective, we launched this platform SMBcart.com. Yeah.
Wonderful, Hari. Okay, so what was the motivation behind this? What was the problem that your team identified, and what kind of solution have you brought with this platform? Can you share some details on that?
Yeah, Vanita. Uh, in terms of motivation, there are multiple timelines where it made us come up with such a platform that is suitable for small and medium businesses. Okay, so we being in the industry for past around 10 11 years, serving various
Okay.
multiple clients from Fortune 500 to medium enterprises and also small scale businesses. Whenever a
Okay.
small business person used to approach us, there used to be a lot of constraints, especially in terms of budgets and various aspects like the time delivery and all stuff. And they don't have much of technical knowledge in terms of how to bring their very good products which already they have. They have business acumen. There is no doubt in it, and but they cannot come in front in terms of the digital world. Taking it forward,
Hmm.
irrespective
Hmm.
of the money that they have. Few people don't have money, or few people have money but they're not able to bring it forward. So considering these things,
Okay.
like, we thought, okay, let us do something on this part. We were having that thought process going on, and there was a very good
Hmm.
brand from Chennai who are into home appliances, but came out with a small concern. They have their website, but
Hmm.
they're it is taking time for them to convert orders, B2B orders, like
Hmm.
a bulk orders of 500 and 1000 appliances. The reason we give them a solution of ordering possibility, giving them, like,
Okay.
they share the link of the website which is not shown to the public, and they are able to get the order list within a fraction of 10 minutes, half an hour, nothing more than that. Otherwise it used to take them somewhere around let's say 2 or 3 days, even a week. Okay,
Okay.
so this, then we thought, okay, this is something that many people are facing issues, like taking orders online,
Hmm.
lot of phone conversation, WhatsApp messaging and all stuff that is happening. And then we were having a thought, and then pandemic struck. Okay, that is when we thought, okay,
Okay.
we started developing during that time. Considering
Hmm.
many people doesn't have opportunities to sell, markets are closed and everybody is sitting idle. So that is when we
Hmm.
came up with this product, saying now it's at least time for digitalization. We have this thought, it is, we are going to do it only for small businesses, not for enterprises at this point of time, purely for small businesses. And we saw many women entrepreneurs who are working from homes, right? They're selling things via WhatsApp and everything. To make it convenient for them, we added features in such a way that they can sell across pan India and then get their incomes or whatever it is. So it is those kind of movements that actually made us do something for small medium businesses and home entrepreneurs.
Okay. So, Konda, as we are talking about selling online, correct me if I'm wrong, is this similar to Amazon, Flipkart, Udaan, Meesho, something like that? What is your take
Uh,
on that?
no, Vanita, it's not anything similar to Udaan or Flipkart or Amazon. They are marketplaces. Okay.
Okay.
So our thing is not a marketplace. It's like having their own branded online e-commerce store. As
Say for
simple.
Okay.
example, any small business owners have XYZ as their company name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
they can able to have their entire e-commerce platform on their company name altogether. Okay, so right now
Okay.
you know very well D2C trend is picking up very high in the market. Okay, and a lot of D2C brand is getting emerged day by day. Okay, so our platform is not a marketplace. It's completely an automated platform. As I mentioned in before, it helps them to set up their own e-commerce store on their brand name or the domain. So that's how it works. We are not we can't compare ourselves with Amazon or Flipkart or Meesho or Udaan. No.
Okay. That makes it clear now. But then I
But
would
those are
again
two
ask a
different parts.
question about.
It's not
Okay.
comparison or competition. Both are two different things. There you
Okay.
are
Got it.
placing the
Got it.
product
But
in the website. Here you are placing your product in your
okay.
own website.
Own website. Got it. But then, Konda, is it like similar to something like Shopify, where I build my own website, like Wix and other open cart platforms, where I can set up my own online store? How is SMB card different from them?
Okay. In terms of the business functionality, yeah, it is similar. Having your own online e-commerce store, that is common. But the
Okay.
difference is for Shopify, it is very good, very good. There's no doubt in that. But it is only useful for the people who has technical knowledge. If you don't have
Okay.
technical knowledge, you need to hire someone.
So,
Okay. Then
Vanita, actually, there are few platforms in the market like Shopify is there, Webly is there, Squarespace is there. Okay, they are automated platform. Wix is there. But say, consider we ourselves, consider even you also being into tech industry for
Mm-hmm.
very long. Even for us to sit and set up an e-commerce store in Shopify, you can do a basic stuff, but you can't. It's very difficult for you to build a full-fledged e-com store on your own inside the Shopify. 100% it require an
Okay.
external Shopify developer support for you to set up a Shopify
Mm-hmm.
store. And Shopify, of course, they are one of the earliest earliest product which is available in the market, and they are
Mm-hmm.
in the their scale is completely different. Whereas we as a SMB card, we build this product keeping small and medium business owners in our mind. Okay, because me and Konda, or we as a team, we worked with lot of SME business owners for very long time. Okay, so
Okay.
across India, majorly we had interacted with lot of small and medium business owners. So we understand what
Mm-hmm.
is their pain points. Okay, so you can't
Mm-hmm.
give a platform like WooCommerce or a Magento, which has a load of functionality within them. Okay, to them and
Mm-hmm.
ask them to use it for their business purpose. Okay, because if you see all these small and medium business owner, they know how to use Instagram, how to use Gmail, or how to use Facebook. Okay, they might not have a
Mm-hmm.
much exposure on even the other technology tools available in the market. So this product is
Right.
tailor made for those people. Even for techies it works, there is no doubt in it. Techies, it's a cakewalk. Okay, so we made
Mm-hmm.
sure this
Mm-hmm.
product is tailor made for the non-technical business owners, where we bundle the
Mm-hmm.
entire platform with the record features. When I say the record features, we didn't load it with hell lot of features, where it is very difficult. It will be confusing for anybody to even set up the portal. We know very well
Mm-hmm.
for this specific. So to run any online business or e-commerce business, these are the mandatory modules or mandatory functions they require. So we pack
Mm-hmm.
the entire product only with those modules. Okay, so they no
Okay.
need to think. It's a no-brainer job for them. Just they need to sign up. Okay, get in, link their domain. Okay, upload their product. Okay, Just post it in Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, wherever. Take orders, okay, and ship it. Collect the payment and ship it. That's it. Just 5-6 process they can able to go live and start doing business
Hmm.
online. So that's all. So as coming to the same question, Shopify or other platform 100% require comes some kind of a technical understanding, whereas our platform does not require. And also,
Okay.
if you see Wix or other platform, they focus more for the
Hmm.
service business, and they focus more on the UI. When you are coming
Hmm.
to the e-commerce as a business, you need to have a
Hmm.
good looking template. That's it, because people come
Hmm.
to the website for a purchase. Okay, we need to
Yeah.
make sure that purchase journey is very simple and easy for them to capture it. Okay, easy for the user to do the checkout and place the product for the order. So that journey we made it very easy. Okay, and that is more than enough for any users or any people to have the portal within the smbcard.com. We did an extensive research on that, and we built the entire platform. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we spoke to number
Okay.
of business owners as well, before we launched it.
Hmm.
Earlier, we had so many
Hmm.
list of features, but actually, we have cut short many features. You know,
Okay.
they don't require it actually.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Konda and Harry, with this, I get the understanding that even a novice or an non-techie person who is who wants to sell, can use the platform and start from day one, right?
Yeah, you're right, you're right. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that again, I would love to ask what kind of business, I mean, what kind of products are people selling through SMB Cart? How do they actually, what do I say, manage or monitor their growth through SMB Cart? Like, what are the businesses who can come into SMB Cart? That's the question.
Okay. Uh, we have given that in the website, but I will
So
just
okay,
give more details.
so we cater to a lot of small and medium business owner. Okay, the first and foremost, our platform cater to both B2B and B2C business owners. Okay, so somebody
Okay.
who want to
Okay.
sell wholesale business or want to deal only with business to business, of course, this platform is tailor made for them. Consider you want to
Mm-hmm.
sell to the customers. Say for example, you are having some handmade products, you are building some handmade products, and you want to sell to the customer. That is also possible. And other side,
Mm-hmm.
you want to sell something on bulk. Okay, example, you have some equipments or some medical devices which you want to take the bulk order. Still it is possible for you to do. So to name some of the industry, we cater to furniture industry, we cater to handicrafts, can do automobile, they can able to leverage all kind of wellness product, electrical and electronics, office supplies, building materials, or textile industry. Anybody want to sell their apparels, corporate gifting, jewelry, artificial jewelry, lightning, even IT hardware products, kitchen products. So in any product, any category you
Mm-hmm.
see in Amazon, okay, this product they can able to have the standalone branded website using our product. Okay, so as of now, two segment we are working. One is on grocery and another one is on restaurant. These two
Mm-hmm.
industry alone, we are equipping our system, because these two industries should come with a ready-made product inside. Say for example, if I speak about grocery at a supermarket, the system should load it with at least 10,000 products in per year, because it's very difficult for anybody to sit and upload those many products, because those products are
Mm-hmm.
common product in the market. I also sell the same product, somebody also sell the same product. So as of now, we are not catering to restaurant and also supermarkets or the grocery industry alone. Rest of the industry, this platform is easy to use and they can leverage this platform as extensive they can. Yeah.
Okay, so Hari, as an extension of that explanation that you just gave me, so
Okay.
any payment that is made for the customers of SMB card, do they receive it directly into their account, or how is that worked out?
Say for example, you are SMB card user, okay, and you have
Mm-hmm.
set up your e-commerce store with us. We used our platform and you have your branded e-commerce store. And consider Konda is your customer and he comes and purchase XYZ product in your website, okay, and
Okay.
in the payment gateway, consider he paid for you. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
we have
Mm-hmm.
partnered with PayU Money and also Stripe. They two are
Okay.
partners. Okay, it comes with a pre-integrated payment gateway, so they no need to worry about integration or anything. Okay, once they signed up, immediately they will be signed up with PayU Money, and the next moment they
Mm-hmm.
can able to start collect the payment, and the transaction is between the business owner and the pay money, not with us. Okay, nowhere we involved in
Okay.
the collection of the payment. Okay, so
Hmm.
payment gateway will charge 2%. It is common across the industry. Any payment gateway, they will charge 2% on the transaction fee, and they will release the rest of the amount directly to their bank account. All they need to do is do the basic KYC with the respective payment gateway, let it be pay money or the Stripe. That's how system
Okay.
work. We don't charge any commission. We are a zero commission platform.
Okay, Hari, that's very clear now. What about the shipment? SMB card is supporting the shipment of the products also? Any idea? I
So
mean, can you
we
give me
come up,
some?
we
Yeah.
come, we so our system has the complete delivery module on place where they can able to define all their shipment across India, based on the
Mm-hmm.
states, and also on the parent cities. Okay, right now we
Mm-hmm.
are in the process of partnering with delivery. So we want to close the loop. When somebody have signed up, some business owner have signed up with them, we are not stopping ourselves with just helping them to list their product and sell the product. So we want to close the loop. As of now, we are going to partner with delivery. It's a very popular shipment platform who works with Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, so soon, maybe by this year beginning, maybe by this Jan mid or maximum Jan mid, we might integrate delivery into our system, where any order comes to respective business owner, delivery will come and pick the product in their doorstep and deliver to the customer. Again, here also the payment happens between the business owner and the shipment partner. We just act as a mediator, just connecting them both, and makes their life easier so that they can focus on their core business rather than banging their head around shipment and payment stuff and all. Yeah, that's how the system will work.
Okay. So, Hari, the next question would be, what about the security part? Because all these e-commerce websites and people selling online, it's
Yeah.
all about the money that they are receiving, and there's a lot of other confidential data that are also involved. So, how
Yeah.
about the security? What about the kind of server support that you are giving them?
So as I mentioned, first let me speak about the security. Okay, servers. So the entire platform runs on the most secured and most renowned cloud servers. Okay, cloud
Hmm.
servers, which is placed in US and also in India. Both the locations
Hmm.
we have cloud servers running upfront. So with respect to bandwidth or with respect to traffic, customers no need. Sorry, our users no need to worry at all. Okay, more the users, our cloud servers will manage everything. Okay, coming to security part, our platform is highly secured and all the data is highly secured. When it comes to payment, we are not storing any kind of payment information in our system. As I mentioned earlier, the payment transaction happen between the business and the payu money. Okay, it works completely with the payment gateway, let it be payu money or the Stripe. And both the partners, payu money and the Stripe, both of them are the renowned player in the respective industry. I can say they are in top one or two players in the respective industry, and they are highly secured and trusted by a lot of larger business itself in India and also in abroad. So we are highly
Okay.
secured, and we provide an extensive bandwidth. So as I already mentioned, customers or the users no need to worry about all these stuff. All they need to focus on the product. Make sure they do a better product and serves their customer in a better way. So that's a whole objective.
Wonderful, Hari. So that comes to one of my favorite question on what kind of marketing support will you be able to provide your customers on SMB card? Is there any additional
Wonderful.
value add services or what kind of social media support that you're giving for all
Uh,
these sellers online?
It will be
okay.
there one, but what to say? It doesn't come along with the package that we are offering. The
No,
offer that
Ganda.
is coming along
Before
with the
that, I'll
package.
add one thing. Yeah. So our platform comes with a pre-built marketing tools, Vanita. Okay. Number one,
Wonderful. Okay.
uh, we have an inbuilt on-page SEO integrator. Okay, that is number one.
Okay.
Okay. So it's very simple to do. If somebody know the basic SEO, they can able to do. Of course, if they want to hire external SEO, they can always do that. Okay, because SEO is
Hmm.
something some expertise need to be there, but it is simple to use. That is number one. And number two, they can able to integrate all kind of analytics into our system. Okay. Number one, Google Analytics or Facebook Pixels or LinkedIn Analytics or any other third party analytics, they can able to integrate in their system. It is no brainer, just they need to copy and paste that analytic code into the system and just save that. The rest system will track and give their results. And third, we ourselves have our own tracking system. Okay. Where every product link clicks, they can able to measure how many clicks they are getting for each and every product. This is the tools what we have inbuilt within our system. With respect to the external system, it is very simple. Within a click, they can able to share all their products, okay, inside WhatsApp or in Instagram. It's just in a one click they can able to share from their mobile. With the predefined content itself, it will be getting shared. I'm speaking about the product level sharing itself they can do. And the fifth is going to be the system is integrated with WhatsApp. When I say WhatsApp, any chat communication, consider I'm going to visit your store, okay, and I have some or
Mhm.
other query, I want to connect with you. Rather than calling to you, okay, just they need to you consider, if you are a business owner, you need to feed your WhatsApp number in the admin panel. Immediately in the front UI or the in the website, you will have the WhatsApp icon. Within a click, customer can able to interact directly with you with on any query or anything where you can able to help with them. Okay. So these are the inbuilt marketing functions or the tools we are making sure we are providing for our users. Using that, they can enable and promote in the respective social media platform and drive the customers into their system. Yeah. If you want to
Yeah.
add anything, you can add, Konda.
No, that's fine. That's
Yeah.
fair enough. Actually, nothing to add on that.
Yeah, you have covered it all, and that means there is a good amount of marketing support that SMB Cart is giving, at least
Yeah.
from an
Yeah.
very default and foundational level. So
Yeah. Yeah.
that's
You are
really
right.
helpful.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And what about the presence of in mobile platform, Hari and Kunda?
Mobile
Is
platform
SMB
is
Card
there on.
present in the mobile? Mm.
Yeah, it is there in the mobile for the client purpose, but soon
Mm-hmm.
they'll be getting launched with the Android and iOS.
So as of now,
Wonderful.
because
Okay.
most of the small business owner will not sit in the system and do all the process of uploading, okay, tracking the order or seeing the order, approving the order. So we have the manager mobile application, which will be used by the business owners for them to manage the entire platform within the mobile. Whatever dashboard they see in the system, same dashboard we integrated within the Android mobile application. We are building a
Mm-hmm.
custom mobile application with the enriched UI and all, which we might be launching maybe in the following month. Work is in progress. Yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
it has mobile application, but as of now, we are not providing an exclusive mobile application for their brand. Okay, consider you run a company called www.xyz.com and you want an
Mm-hmm.
exclusive mobile application. That one we are not providing as of now, but the same link can be, okay, will act as a what to say, in mobile you can able to see add as a home link, okay, which will come as an
Mm-hmm.
icon which will save just like an app. If you click on that icon, it will open like the mobile application only. Okay, so that one, it is possible. And again, that is unnecessary. In the given world, people are not installing each and every application, Vanita. Even you and
Mm.
me, we
Yeah,
take our mobile, we always install only the required application. Okay,
that's
not
true.
any
Mm.
application. That's a true
Yeah.
fact. What you can see in the market. So even
Yeah.
we made sure it's not available right now. Maybe down the line we can give user specific mobile application which they can give for their customers. Yeah.
And moreover, it is
Okay.
going to add on to the cost, Vanita. The more we add,
Mm-hmm.
the cost is going to increase only, right? The idea is, for the small businesses to first of all to start their journey.
Okay.
That's the important stuff. If we add on the
Yeah.
cost, we do it. It that doesn't
Yeah.
make much sense.
So at the right time you're talking about, you have brought in the cost part also, which makes me
Yeah.
ask the pricing and is there any hidden charges with SMB card? I'm just as a common person, I just
Okay.
I want to
Before
know.
answering the hidden charges, I would like to ask you something. How much do you spend for a pizza in 1 week?
That even if I go once, I'll
Pizza
be
or
charged
biryani?
more than yeah. Even leave alone a week. Even if I make one visit, it's going to be more than 1,000 rupees for me, right? So
Yeah.
yeah.
So we charge somewhere around 589 rupees per month. That comes to approximately 7,000 rupees per year. And this covers everything end to end.
Mm-hmm.
It covers their basic marketing requirements, their hosting, their
Mm-hmm.
servers, whatnot,
SMS,
and
email,
SMS,
Mm-hmm.
email, everything is covered into that.
invoices, everything,
Yeah,
everything. Yeah.
Mm.
So we will speak about the futures in detail. Yeah.
yeah.
So
But
Yeah, that's
the
what I wanted to
important
ask.
aspect
So
purely,
SMB card future plan, how is it going? Would
no,
you
it's
like
not a
to
future
share
plan.
some
I'm
words?
just speaking about the
Uh,
futures of the product altogether. Okay. Uh,
okay.
so,
Okay.
so, so when I
no,
speak
it's
about the
not like that. I
futures,
mean, the reason that Vanita actually, uh, you know, uh, there is a lot of misguidance that's happening even in the market, right? You
Mm-hmm.
know, it's not just about the cost. We are
Mm-hmm.
giving it in a very affordable price, but
Mm-hmm.
with lots of features that are required, not dumping them with any additional features that are not required as well. That needs to be kept
Mm-hmm.
in mind. For example, if somebody has to own a server or take a sharing server, they spend up around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees per year. Okay, and if it's a cloud, it is like 3,000, 4,000 per month. SMB card being run on a cloud server for all the clients, they need not even think about hosting. They did not think about hiring a technical expertise. They did not think about maintaining it error free. Nothing. They have to just do their business of promoting it, taking the orders and supplying their orders. That's it. Nothing more than that. They need not worry anything. 0% technical worriness. Yeah. Hari, features.
yeah. So if you see SMB card as a future as a function for any small business owner, it is very simple. Just they need to
Mm.
get into our website. We have a small sign up, simple sign up form with name, email ID, phone number, and the company name. Just they need to sign up. Immediately they will receive their username and password. Using the admin
Okay.
panel link, they need to log in inside
Mm-hmm.
our panel. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And very
Mm-hmm.
simple. If consider if you are going to set up your Facebook profile, what will ask? It will ask you a profile photo. Like that, you will be uploading up, updating your logo, and you will be
Mm-hmm.
updating your banner in just a click. Okay. And you will be updating your contact informations, and you will be updating your company information, whether you're a proprietor, partnership, or a private limited company. And if you have GST and PAN, you can always update over there. This will help for the invoice generation. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm.
basic updates, and you need to just feed in about content, and also FAQs. So
Mm.
partners and clients logos you need to update. Just it's a very simple. If you are just navigating those menus, you'll understand what to add. You can
Mm.
add testimonials. You can type testimonials. Just place it. You can enable and disable whatever sections you want within the system. Okay. Then you will be allowed to do the basic settings of shipping. Okay. So
Mm.
just with the one click you can able to enable your payment gateway, or you want COD. Both the options are available. So I don't want to enable payment gateway. Just want to take all order the with the COD. Just leave the system as such. Okay. And you need to set up your
Okay.
shipment. Shipment is very simple. You need to choose your parent state, enter your parent city, and define your courier charges. 50 rupees, 70 rupees, 100 rupees, like that. State specific courier charges you can give. And again, shipment
Mm-hmm.
you can able to make the shipment based on uh, flat shipment pricing, and also a weight based shipping. Say a few business will do a flat, consider whatever product you order, they will charge only 50 rupees. There are few business where weight matters a lot. Okay. So whereas you can also charge, say consider one for 1 kg you are going to charge 50 rupees. You will define in the system. Then the kg is adding 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg. Depending on that, the shipment price increases. So that function is also available in the basic settings they need to do. And also they need to define their category. Say consider you are into electronics, and you can define your category as television, and under television you can have the subcategory like smart TVs, or a basic TV, or LED, and you can list all your brands pricing. So within the category and subcategory, you can have multiple variants. Consider if you are selling dress. Okay. And you need to allow your customer to choose the size and the colors. Okay. So that is
Mm-hmm.
very simple for you to define in the system. And consider you are selling mobile phones. Depending on the RAM size, color, and also the variant, the prices will vary. So that also you can able to define in the product area. So once you have defined all
Okay.
those stuff, just go and add the product, upload the image, save the product. Okay. Just copy paste the link, share it to your customer. You can take order immediately. Once the customer placed an order, immediately automated invoice will go to their customers. And the invoices are GST compliant invoices where you can download and just upload in the GST portal and make that happen. Okay, even we
Wow.
allow customers to create the manual invoice also. So consider they are selling a product in offline and collecting UPI payment, and they can create a manual GST also, and they can mail it across to the customers. So that is also possible. And one of the very good function we have is consider I visit your website and I'm coming till the cart area, but I'm not doing the purchase. Okay, I'm not even doing the purchase. I'm just coming out. That is called as an abandoned cart, which is available, which is an high-end features in the other platforms, other players who are exist in the market. So we provide that
Mm-hmm.
feature also. Anybody comes till the cart area and they are moving out, we capture their information and we give it to them. These guys can shoot a message to them with some offers or an email to them
Mm.
with exclusive offers also for them. So
So there
as
is
a
a bit of
platform,
automation also. So that means
yeah,
there is a bit of automation done.
yeah. So so they
Okay.
can able to download all the reports, okay, monthly, weekly, all the reports, and any orders come, if they install the mobile application, they will get the notification. Okay, so user no need to sign up with the platform. Instance, consider you are holding having a platform with us. Your user no need to create a separate account with the platform. Once they place the order, just they need to log in using their mobile number and OTP. That's it. Okay, there all the order history, everything they can able to see within our system. So as I mentioned, we bundle the system only with the record futures for them to start and run the online business, irrespective of brands, irrespective of any industry. Yeah.
Okay, Hari. Hari, I heard about a brand from Bangalore which was saying that we will deliver in half an hour or 30 minutes. Looks like
Okay.
you should have an USP of saying that we can launch online stores in 30 minutes. So
So that's a 30
yeah,
minutes
you
we have. So we have few competitors who say they can launch in 2 minutes also. Okay, even 2 minutes is possible. Just
okay,
a sign up will take only 2 minutes, not more than that. But practically it will take 30
okay,
minutes, to be frank. For you to go live with as a complete website, at least 30 minutes is
okay.
required.
Yeah,
So
with
yeah,
some
you
bit of
Yeah.
can
products on it.
with the
Yeah,
products
so
on
you're
it.
launching and yeah, you're launching, giving an end-to-end support with regard to they start selling from day one. That seems to be something. This is
Yeah,
really
yeah.
great. So would you like to know is there any discount that you would be able to give today for all the viewers who are watching this video today? I mean, I'm just
So not this viewer, whoever watched this video, they can able to use this code called SK30. I can say SK30. Okay, it's a
okay.
coupon code
As it's
where they
New
can
Year, I
get.
wanted to know this. As it's going to be New Year, I just thought
After
there will
Yeah,
be some good discount.
after the video, we'll add the coupon code in
Uh,
the comments box also.
so
You can.
SK30 and get 30%
okay,
off. You can able to see over there.
wonderful.
Okay, yeah, they can get a
Okay,
flat off in any variant they choose. Yeah, that's one thing what we do. Yeah.
okay, Harry. So that's it from my end. I got a very good, clear idea about this, and I really find this beneficial for the
Vanita,
small and medium business category people. Yeah. Yes, Konda.
Vanita, one thing I would like to ask, okay, you know, you have been part of many women entrepreneur organizations, right?
Yeah.
Where you have also consulted them on various products and, helping them market their products and all. So,
Mm.
in SMB card also, we have something especially for women, women
Mm-hmm.
empowerment and on those lines, where
Okay.
we see many home-based housewives or working women, they're doing their ventures, that too
Mm-hmm.
after COVID, it has become so huge.
Yes. Yes.
Many of them are
Yeah.
selling via Facebook groups or WhatsApp chats, and we have
Yeah.
actually
Yeah.
some women clients, who have
Okay.
started off selling in Facebook groups and chats only, and
Yeah.
they face the
Yeah.
issue, answering to
Mm-hmm.
each and everyone who is pinging them on the Facebook or chat. So
Mm.
that is
Mm.
when they started using this SMB card, right? So it was very easy
Mm-hmm.
for them. They just share that link and then say, you can go through the products over there. And then the
Mm.
number of times that they have to answer in their personal chat has drastically
Mm.
reduced. more
Yeah.
than 50% of the time is being saved, and then they are able to get more orders. There are a couple of clients like who
Yeah.
said, it helped us save a lot
Mm-hmm.
of time. It's not answer each and everyone.
Mm-hmm.
We are just sharing the link, and then they are actually, making the purchase directly from there. So they're
Yes,
investing their
Konda.
time on the marketing.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, I was about to ask an use case, but thanks for bringing this up. This really gives an understanding about how it will be useful for women entrepreneurs who have started to sell online. I know many are selling through Instagram, and it's all very fragmented and in silos. For them to unite it all together and get a better, I mean, the productivity, as you said, it's time saving also, and to see it in a unified way is I think for them to sustain in the market, that will be something that is very useful to them. So an
Yeah,
integrated platform like SMB card might be the right answer for them also. Yeah, I
yeah.
agree
One
on
is
that.
sustainability, as you rightly pointed out.
Mm,
Other one is trust factor. You know,
mm,
Not everybody would have a website, right? When you're
right.
buying something online, you want to make sure as a buyer, whom to contact if something goes wrong. You'll contact them,
Yeah.
but when you share a website, you are professional.
Yes. True. That's right.
And also website has a global reach, right? People search,
Yeah.
and
So
then there's
that's true.
SEO integrated into it, organic SEO, and then you get a lot of more visibility than just only selling it over there.
Mm,
The platforms you
mm,
have to market, there's no doubt in it, but
yeah.
this gives you a brand altogether. Your first
Yeah.
step to your brand has started off.
Mm. So just the
Maintaining.
presence will not help. For you to be there in the market for a long time, they have to go for a solution like this. That's very clear.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
have to. They have to. There is no way around. If not us, it can be somebody else. But it is good they have their online store there.
Yeah.
That
Yes,
gives
So,
Hari.
satisfaction to
yeah.
buyers as well.
Yeah.
So, Vanita,
Okay.
as to consolidate this, as we mentioned, this platform is tailor-made for non-technical business owners, both for
Mm,
B2B and B2C, where they can launch their e-commerce store or an online store below 30 minutes. Okay, and
mm,
which comes as the most affordable price. Okay, and
mm,
also we have an extended support. We are giving extended support for all the small and business owners in the area
mm,
of as a resource partner. Say, for example, there are a lot of small entrepreneurs who sign up the platform and they have the products on place, but they might be requiring some additional support, like somebody need a design support, or somebody want a logo to be done, or somebody at least want to upload the product, though they know to do, but at times few people might be requiring other people to help them out.
mm.
Okay, so we
Yeah.
have a
Mm,
resource partner, third party resource partner roped in with us, mostly
mm-hmm,
college students or the housewives who trained,
mm-hmm.
who got a very good training with respect to our platform. Okay, the
Mm,
prices are very transparent. Okay, depending on the
okay.
packages what they buy, which is available in the website itself, in our website in the resource partner page. All they need to do is choose what kind of service they want, just add to cart, make the payment, and the payment will be there with us. It will not go to the what to say resource partner directly. We will release the
Okay.
amount to the resource partner only when the work is completed, and we get approval from both the user and also the resource partner. We will release the payment to them, so it is safe with us. They can able to leverage resource partner support from our platform
Okay.
itself. All our trusted partners, trusted resource partners we have. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wonderful,
Yeah.
Hari. Thanks a lot. Hari, can I conclude the meeting?
Yeah, sure, Vanita. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
please,
Kindly,
Vanita.
Vanita.
Okay.
Thanks
Okay.
for thanks
Happy
for
to
So
have
taking
you.
your time
yeah,
out,
thanks
Vanita.
a lot for taking the time and explaining us about SMB card. Very sure that this will be very useful to all the end users and people who are watching this video. So anyone who are interested to sell online, please contact SMB card. So that's it. Thanks, Hari. Thanks, Konda. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Vanita.
Vanita.
Thanks a lot.
Take
Yeah,
care.
and wishing
Thanks a
you
lot.
all a happy New Year. Bye bye.
Yeah,
Thank you,
wish you
Vanita.
the
Happy New
same.
Year.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, bye. Bye. Bye.
thank you.